Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can recover uninstalled apps or software and also files on your Windows. So this is just a very easy and simple way, and this is just free on your Windows. So what you can do is let's go quick into the process. Type Control Panel in the Windows search bar. You have to click on Control Panel under the best match. Now here you need to view this into category large icons or small icons. You have to choose large icons so that you can easily find recovery. That's under mouse. So click on recovery. And you'll be directed into this window which has three options. Create a recovery drive, open system restore, configure system restore. Now since we are going to recover uninstalled apps or folders or lost folders or like that, click on open system restore. And here you will find restore system files and settings. Now choose this option, choose a different restore point, click on next. And here you'll have these options. So what you can do is you need to choose the latest one. Now I have just a system restore that was interrupted earlier. That's why you have this restore operation. Now we are going to choose the latest one. So simply choose what is the latest one on your Windows. You just need to look at the date and time and then go to next, and you just have to click on this Windows C drive and click on finish, and after that will restart your Windows and wait for the process or wait for the system restore process to be done. Now if you don't have a window like this, let me just go on with this window like this. If you don't have a window like this, then you can simply create a restore point. Or if you don't have a restore point on your Windows, you can have this configure system restore. Choose the Windows C drive. And here you have to choose create. And simply type a description. It could be date or any other type of description that you want. And just simply click on create. Now that's it. So that's how you can easily do it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.